Hello guys, and what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in the last two of my videos I got a lot of comments requesting me to show how to connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro to Adobe Premiere Pro, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly that. So let's get started. First off, you need to pair your Galaxy Buds with your Windows PC. In order to do that, just head over to the link given in the description or in the comment section and watch my other video on step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Galaxy Buds Pro to Windows PC. Once you have successfully connected your Galaxy Buds Pro to your Windows PC, then launch Adobe Premiere Pro. And then click on Edit, and then head over to Preferences, and then tap on Audio Hardware, and then change default output to Headphones Galaxy Buds Pro Stereo. Once you do that, you can use your Galaxy Buds Pro in Adobe Premiere Pro. And in case if you want to use the mic present in Galaxy Buds Pro, then just change the default input to headset Galaxy Buds Pro hands-free AG audio. And then you can use the mic on your Galaxy Buds Pro. With that done, there are a few things I like to mention. Although you can use wireless earbuds in Premiere Pro and other video editing softwares, but it's definitely not recommended to do so, because there is going to be a catastrophic lag in audio while you're using wireless earbuds with Premiere Pro. Wireless headphones aren't really a good choice for video or audio editing. For hardware stuff to work with Premiere Pro, you need really low latency, and wireless headphones, no matter how good they are, they cannot provide that. And if you want to buy some earbuds for video editing in Premiere Pro or any other app, then I'll recommend you the Sony MDR XB50AP earbuds. These are obviously wired earbuds and have excellent audio quality and can even reduce outside noise, so they can be used when you're on the move. And they're extremely comfortable, much more than Galaxy Buds Pro actually, so they can be used for hours as well. And they even come with a carrying pouch in the box, so they can be used when you're traveling. And I guess that's pretty much it for the review, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram at mbilal4186, and this is Mohammed Bilal signing out.